GIVI friends, welcome back. Today we are introducing the new PLO system. It's a panniers rack that can be configured either as a monokey or monokey cam, just using two specific kits. We have a frame and all the accessories here in front of us. We're going to now show you how it works. So we have one main frame with no specific kit on it, and then we have a kit of accessories that we can use to convert the frame to accept either monokey cases or monokey cam, like the Tracker Outback's cases. So simply put, we just put the bottom mounts here. They can be mounted here. They're going to be the same for each and every case. Once they're in position, we can use this wedge to turn it into a regular monokey, or we can use this aluminum bar, of course with the counterpart, and this is going to be perfect, and it's going to be exactly the mount for the Outback series, so the cam. So what is the big advantage here? Of course, all these parts are replaceable, so it's easy to repair everything, but in case you have an older model or you have a monokey system already in place, you don't need to buy a new system, a new frame to put, for example, the Outback, so the cam aluminum cases. So you just swap the part and you're ready to go, and you accept every aluminum case in our range. The new PLO system has been upgraded and now uses an 18 millimeters diameter tubing. Just like the older version, the new PLO system is available in two versions. PLO for the standard fixed one, or for the quick release is the PLOR. Thank you for being with us. To learn more about the GIVI products range, please visit the website givimoto.com.